Okay, so now you have Bitcoin that has gone to $60,000. All the Bitcoin enthusiasts and all the people who believed in Bitcoin are very happy. And there are some people who follow me and who told me with their message, Bitcoin will go up to 100,000, where I predicted no, it will not. Or even if it doesn't do anything. So now the Bitcoin believers are more like, ha ha ha, what happened? You must be getting butt hurt. Must be painful for you. Okay, let me address. First and foremost, I have no interest of investing in Bitcoin. I've had people who told me they will give me some cryptocurrencies for free as donation. In fact, there are some people who wanted to pay me for my service with cryptocurrencies when Bitcoin was down. I told them nothing doing, just give me cash. So today, even now, right at this very moment, if you were to give me a free Bitcoin and say, Lloyd, this is for you, open challenge to you. You can say that you're going to give me a Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, Doggy coin, Doji coin, Ethereum, Kurkaskis coin, or X metal coin, or light coin, or heavy coin, or dumb coin, or fuck coin, or coiny coin, or toin, whatever, or crypto, or whatever. Even if you give me for free, I will say no. Okay. The reason being is I'm not into it. I'm not into stocks. I'm not into shares. I'm not into commodities. I'm not into crypto. Okay, that's the first thing. So it doesn't burn me. It doesn't affect me. I'm making money every month more than you, more than most of you who are into cryptos. I'm making money with my career, a brand that I've invested 20 years of my life, and today I'm reaping the rewards. So I'm doing fine without crypto. That's number one. Number two is, let's assume that you're making money. Okay, how much money can you make is my question. Let's say you purchased at 50,000 one Bitcoin and you sold it for 60,000. Congratulations, you made 10,000 for this month.
Hello.
But now the question is, what about next month? Then what about the following month? What about after that? So is it going to be that every time you will make 10,000? So you bought it at 50, you sold it for 60. You bought it for 60, you sold it for 70. Or are you one of those lucky people who bought it at 10, or $1 you could buy 5-6 Bitcoins or 3 Bitcoins or whatever? If you're one of those people who purchased it at when it was 500 and now it is at 60,000, congratulations. You are on a gold mine that you better sell off and you can retire for the rest of your life. Okay. I personally know, I'm not exaggerating, I personally know 2 or 3 people who have made good money. They sold it when it was at 40 or whatever, and they're very happy. They said, Loy, I'm done with this. I dedicated 2-3 years of my life, 4-5 years or whatever, and waited. I'm also a service provider for a guy who created a cryptocurrency, and he sold it for a massive amount. I can't give out the details, but he has told me you can share the example. And today, after encashing, he has kept his accounts in different banks, different countries, and now he's retired in a third world country, living like a king, not being anywhere on social media. So he is so bored because he has so much money now. He calls me for, he wants to do different seminars. He wants to do a party. He wants to help the poor. He wants to write a book. He wants to do a painting. He wants to learn a language. So he's just bored out of his wits, but he has enough and more money to last him for at least 2 generations or 3 generations. Okay. So if you're one of those people who made money, sincerely from my heart, congratulations. Okay. But if you're one of those people who bought 0.00001 of a Bitcoin, or 0.01 or 0.00 something of a Bitcoin, and you made $100 and now you're barking like a dog, shut the fuck up. Seriously, just shut the fuck up. Okay. I mean, you're so excited that you got an orgasm with $100 profit. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Better than that, why don't you focus on working and putting some value into your skill and earning 10 times more? See, the problem with this Bitcoin thing is, number one, it cannot be used as a currency at all. It cannot be used as a currency because nobody knows its fixed value. There's no fixed value. Number one, which I've told you before, it cannot be used as a currency. So it's not cryptocurrency. It's a fucking oxymoron. I mean, doesn't make sense. It's not a cryptocurrency. Okay, it might be crypto, but it's not a currency. The second thing is, which country can you use it? Where can you use it? And I've told you this, but I don't want to get into it. See, the only thing that is happening right now is people want to make easy money. I put $10,000, I got 20. Those kind of people, for them, that is great. But it doesn't help the economy because there's no true value. It's just cash flow from people who have excess for dumping. But the problem is, there are some individuals who are putting their hard-earned money. They will burn their fingers. And that's, well, I guess, in business, the excess money you make is someone else's money that is taken. Maybe it's a good person, maybe it's a bad person. But that's how it comes to you. In money, doesn't care it's good or bad, doesn't care if you're friends, enemies. Money is money. So, what I want to tell you is, Bitcoin has reached 60,000. Great. I'm so happy for you. But Bitcoin is not going to be universally accepted. This power to the people is not going to be accepted. Power by the government will be accepted. And you're talking, oh, this is the first ever digital currency. Man, money is already digital. The US dollar, I'm not giving physical dollars when I'm buying from Amazon. It's digital. Okay? Yes, you'll give me all the great merits. There's not been a single fraud until now because of cryptocurrency. I've given you my biggest prediction ever of cryptocurrencies, of Bitcoin. One day, someone will create a virus, a program that will infect all the PCs, all the CPUs, all the systems. And in one go, like you have the Terminator, Cyberdyne, you press. Within one swipe, it'll just clean out everything. When it'll happen, it's to be seen. But I can assure you this, the money that is being pumped into this cryptos is not, the majority is not legal money, is not ethical money. There's a lot to hide. See, when people have to hide and maintain, oh, let nobody see what I'm doing. There's something funny. It's the same way like how people are commenting, hiding behind, like a guy, like maybe his name is Ramu, but he is hiding behind Maximilian. Another guy is Mohammed, his real name, but he's hiding behind, Elon Musk, an account created. So these are the fake names. Oh, I got a lot of dogs barking. Suddenly, dogs have come. So what I want to tell you is, yes, there is a future for cryptocurrencies. There is a future. But that future is intertwined with the governments. The governments are not going to let go of control. The banks are not going to let go of control. It is impossible for an economy to be run only by people without governments. And where people only run it, corruption will be rampant, violence will be rampant, it'll be a total mess, a chaos. It's like having a world with no rules. As it is with the rules, people are misbehaving like crazy. Just look at the internet. So you expect without any rules, without any supervision, people are going to do good things? Man, in the four walls of your house when nobody's watching, how many things do you actually do which you can show openly in the world? Like for example, when you masturbate or when you watch porn, you openly talk about it. Let's say you sexually fantasize somebody else. Do you openly talk about it? No. In the four walls of anonymity or between your friends or when you're drunk, you'll talk about it openly. The same thing with cryptocurrencies. People like to be anonymous. They want to be hidden in the guise of privacy but this is all bullshit. I can assure you this much. As long as the world governments stay there, as long as they have a foothold on controlling people, China is not going to allow this. Russia will not allow this. US will not allow this. India will not allow this. So please enlighten me. Who the fuck is going to allow this? I've given you an open question. Prove it to me. And once they make it official that you're not allowed and there are criminal charges that are going to be pressed, then you'll be in trouble. So that's as far as my thoughts of cryptocurrency goes. Enjoy as long as it's going 60,000, 70,000, 100,000. Make your money. Make your money, be happy. But as far as it being accepted universally, that's a whole lot of bullshit. I look forward for it to go to 100,000. Let's see. And then who knows, maybe I'll put another video. And yes, do let me know how many millions and billions you have made. I'm very curious to know how many millions and billions you're making, but still having the time to comment under my videos. I just hope that after making so many millions and billions, your outdated PC in your small little apartment in some third world country or some place, you know, where you're struggling to even pay rent, you have to pay your bills to make, you know, you're struggling to pay your bills, but you're talking so big about cryptocurrency. What's the use, man? What a fuck all life, right? Easy money doesn't exist, my friend. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. This is me signing off. Take care.